Here we are again on our dock. There's little Bailey. Huh. Let's see. Oh, there's, who's that? That's Radar. They love the dock. Look at that. Some of our dogs jump right off the dock and go for a swim. Wolfgang is one of them. Just loves it. There goes Bailey. That. And now he goes, I don't know how to get off there because there's water. Yep. Oh my goodness, what am I going to do? So they're going to come and help. I'm like, well, you just sort of jump in the water. Don't be so silly. He goes, I don't know how to do that. And that's something. He's going to start squeaking any moment now. I think I'll go this way. There he comes. Here comes Panda. Isn't that cool? Puppy, 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 puppy. Hi, guys. There's Wolfie up there. Saying, do you like me? She says, you get out of here or I'm going to just grab your face. He says, oh, okay. Cool, huh? There goes some more. We'll see if Bailey learns this time how to do it. Look at him. Like, I don't know how to do that. Oh, no. And it come back to Mama. Oh, that's Pearl. That's Pearl down there. She's a toy and she's... Is it Pearl? Yeah. She's a great mother too. Oh my goodness. Just awesome. She's a mother of Pee-wee that we have advertised. Just gorgeous. Anyway, I better continue on. I could be doing this all day. Thanks for watching. Bye.